Hello guys, it's been a long time since I've been on here, but I wanted to come on here, be back on track, and get stuff going. So for my first look back, I am using the Blue Blood Jeffree Star Cosmetics palette. I got this as soon as it launched and it is the first time I use it. So I know it's crazy and shame on me, but here I am. So if you want to know how I did this look, please keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is prime my lids with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I am then going to take a piece of tape and I'm just going to place a little bit right, and I want to make sure that they are as even as possible. So now I'm going to mix the colors Power and Celebrity Skin and put them on the crease. And I'm using this little brush from e.l.f. It says it's a contour brush, but I really like it for that crease. And I'm only dabbing it into the color Power once really quickly and then a lot more into Celebrity Skin. Because I don't want it to have a really, really dark gray effect. I just want a little bit of color. So now with my Morphe M431, I am just going to blend it out. It is a clean brush, so there's no product on there. Okay, so now using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Sand, I am going to carve out my crease. Nice. Then I'm using this Packer brush by Azalia Cosmetics. I don't know if it has a name or not, but I really like this brush for carving out. And so for hooded eyes, I like to take it a little bit higher than my normal crease. It's really hard to get them both even, but I don't know if you can see. I'm going to take it a little bit higher than that. Now I'm just going to fill it in. If you're going to do a nude on the bottom, you don't have to fill it in, but I wanted to for this case because, hold on, I can't talk and do this at the same time. My husband would kill me if he saw me slouch. You can't do this. Alright, so now I've gotten it kind of to where I want it to be. Don't worry, I know what you're thinking. It doesn't look even. We're gonna fix that. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this tiny brush. It's from Morphe, but it doesn't have a number. So I'm taking the color I Am Cold and I am going to do sort of like a line right along where I cut the crease. Sorry if the palette is kind of in the way of the video, but the mirror is freaking great. And I mean, I am using the Blue Blood palette. I am using the Blue Blood palette, right? Jeez, that's a good. With the leftover Tarte Shape Tape on my brush, I am going to clean up that area right underneath the line just to make it a little sharp and clean. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm going to take another Packer brush and I'm going to take the color Priceless. And I am packing the color all on the lid. Now with the same brush, I'm going to take the color Celebrity Skin and kind of mix it on top just to get a peachier shade. Normally I would take it a little bit lower up here, but because my eyes are so different, I did it this way for a reason, and now I don't know if I regret it, but who knows. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do my skin stuff. I'm gonna go do my foundation stuff, and I'll see you in a minute. Alright guys, so I am back, and I didn't anticipate to do this voiceover, but my baby woke up and she was in the background playing with stuff. So I first started off by curling my lashes, and then I went in and added some of my Milk Makeup Kush mascara to my natural lashes while my lash glue was drying. So I'm using these lashes by Bold Face Cosmetics called Lashes Out, and I just like to place them with this Lily Lash applicator, I guess you could say. Is that what it's called? I don't know. Then for the under eye, I am picking up that brush from before, and I'm just adding the same colors, Power and Celebrity Skin. I don't know about you guys, but I start getting the moco whenever I'm doing the lower lash line, and I just poked my lash line. So now I am applying a bottom mascara to the bottom lashes. I'm applying mascara to the bottom lashes. Bam! For the inner corner, I combined the colors Ice Tray and Cullinan, and I just added that for a nice bright blue shine. So yeah guys, that is it for this pastel blue Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette look. Comment down below if you want to see my full face routine, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.